Alright, I'm back with another fantastic video, and so these are my new gaskets. And it seemed like at first they wouldn't fit, but I just didn't have them on there correct. They go like so, like that. Okay? Now the correct size is 75 millimeters in length, 75 millimeter bolt. And the one that I had sitting around is only 70, and it's too short. And they didn't have 75 millimeters at Auto Parts, so I had to go with a longer one. I would rather have longer than shorter because I can work with longer, and I'll show you how. Now what you must do is you cannot install these dry. You got to get them lubricated. And I've got this assembly goo from my transmission rebuilds. It's pretty damn good grease. Go more like that. That might be a little too much, but maybe not. I don't know. And you gotta make sure your surfaces are clean. Clean the surfaces before you take your rags out. Alright, so I'm gonna set it very carefully in its place. That's where it's at. It's home. Hold on. Oh hell, you see? That's why you're supposed to have clean shit. Okay, so I had to manipulate my thing right there. I had to change the bend so that the seal would be on the flat surface of my cylinder head, you see? Right there, and over there. That's right. My battery's low. I ain't got no flash. There's two things that hold them in place. Right there and over there. So, I had to make sure that the back side of that flange went behind that bolt with like a little pick, and that actually seats these down and holds them down so that when I put my manifold on, it ain't gonna move, you know? And that's not in the installation instructions, but that's what I decided to do. Now it's time for the manifold. Alright, now here it goes. I'm gonna set it. Oh man, got a freaking wire. Up, out of the way, up, like that, yes, like that. Okay, take it, very carefully, set it. Ooh, I think it's home. I can't see shit. Okay, I got a headlight. Maybe now we can see a little bit. I think it's in place. Looks like it's in place to me. Alright, so I'm going to put my other bolts in. And so here's my solution when it comes to excessively long bolts. You just add a spacer to the top of it. So this is how you resolve the issue of having too long of a bolt. You do something like that, and then you end up with that number, as long as you've got plenty of top room, which in this case I'm pretty sure I do. Then you're going to be good. Okay, now the proper thing to do is to do them in sequence. You start with 1, 2, and you go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross all the way. One pass, 44 inch-pounds of torque. Second pass, 89 inch-pounds of torque. Okay, so I got them all torqued down. Can't see shit because my battery's dead, but it's nice and tight. I'm gonna call it a night. It's like 10:30 or something. So I will follow up tomorrow with my new O-rings for the fuel rails, and then I'm gonna also put gaskets on here, new valve cover gaskets, because these ones freaking leak. So check you later.